Welcome to BSoft Solutions. In this video, we're introducing our customized report, Party-wise stock items detailed reports in Tally. Let's start by configuring the Tally add-on. First, copy the path of your TCP file and then configure it inside Tally Prime by loading the add-on. Once the add-on is loaded successfully, you can begin using the report. Now go to Display More Reports and open Party-wise stock items detailed reports. This report allows you to view a consolidated list of stock item details for each party across various voucher types, such as sales, purchase, credit note, debit note, and more. It is especially useful for getting a clear picture of what stock items were transacted with each party. This helps in analysis and stock planning, all from one place. Let's look at the different options available in the report. Configure button. Using the Configure button, you can customize the report by showing or hiding the columns such as stock group, category, quantity, rate, amount. Also here, you can choose whether to include credit notes and debit notes to show the actual sales and purchase values and sorting method of reports. Detailed or condensed button. Use this button to switch between condensed view, which shows only party-wise summary, and detailed view, which shows the stock items under each party. Change voucher button. This allows you to select and view report for a specific voucher type, like sales or purchase or credit note and others. Parties, Change View button. This button lets you change the layout of the reports by party account-wise, party group-wise, parent group-wise, PIN code-wise, and state-wise. Stocks, Change View button. Using Stock Change View button, you can switch between viewing the reports by stock item-wise, stock group-wise, and stock category-wise. Party Name-wise button. This filter helps you narrow down the report for a specific party ledger. Party Group-wise button. This lets you filter the data party group-wise. State Name-wise button. With this button, you can filter and view data for a specific party state-wise. Stock Item Filter button. This helps you filter and view only selected stock items in the report. Stock Group Filter button. Use this button to filter the report based on a particular stock group. Stock Category Filter button. This allows you to filter the report according to selected stock categories. Ledger-related reports button. With this single button, you can access multiple ledger-related reports such as Ledger Contact, Ledger Master, Ledger Monthly Summary, Ledger Outstanding, Ledger Vouchers, Movement Analysis, Overdue Payables and Receivables, Purchase and Sales Bills Outstanding, Purchase and Sales Order Outstanding. Stock-related reports button. Similarly, this button gives you access to all stock-related reports such as Stock Master, Stock Monthly Summary, Stock Query, Stock Vouchers, Movement Analysis, Purchase and Sales Bills Pending, Purchase and Sales Orders Pending. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for Tally customization, please connect with BSoft Solutions. See you in the next video.